If you're looking for a monitor that you can use for your gaming and not bother the kids in the house and the family in the house on the big screen, this might be the one for you. Hey everyone, this is Gil, back again with Dad Logic, just trying my best to navigate as a new dad at 40 plus. Basically, trying to stay healthy for the baby because I'll be like 60 plus when she's in college, so gotta stay healthy. But today, I know we need our free time, everyone. Gentlemen, comment down below when you need your own free time. Luckily, I am fortunate enough and grateful enough that I have my own man cave here. With that said, I have been playing my PS5 games on the big screen in the living room, and I'm feeling it from the family because I take hours. Well, no one really complains, I'll be honest with you, but the kid complains because it's my show. I want to watch my show. So with that said, I went out and bought a very affordable, I mean super affordable. This is the Expose 27-inch curved screen. I'm going to review it today, kind of give you my pros and cons. I'm gonna set it up real quick on the stand, but ultimately it's gonna be put over to my screen over here because I'm gonna be streaming, so I need another monitor, and I have my little streaming setup here already, so keep an eye out for that. I'll promote my channel on here as well. We're gonna unbox this, open it up, kind of give you my pros and cons on it, and we'll take it from there. What do we get in this? So this isn't that much bigger. I was thinking about getting the 49-inch, but a bit too much right now. Out of budget. Gotta take care of the baby first. I think there's stuff underneath. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. There's stuff underneath. Okay. Let's just be careful. Just... Okay. Okay, cool. So it comes with, actually, it comes with two HDMIs. Here's one. Two, here's your manual. I don't know what that is. I take it that this is the stand adapter, power adapter here. I do like the stand. Everyone, so we have it up now. That's a 27-inch. So just in comparison to my 34, and then it's my setup right here. Don't mind the mess. This is a man's working station here. PS5's there. I gotta do something with this, to be honest with you. I gotta move this somewhere over here. Supplements, toys and knickknacks here. Just to let you know, that's the capture card. I have it powered up right now with a USB, but I'll be getting a USB 3.0 and putting that into my Mac so I can start streaming. But let me know what you think. I think it's a pretty cool setup. I cannot bother the baby because, generally speaking, that's where she is. See? Once again, thank you for watching the video. Take care. God bless. See you next purchase.